Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon on Blackstone. First, ensure your salmon fillets are completely dry by patting them with paper towels. This is key for crispy skin. Next, generously season both sides of the salmon with your preferred spices, like a simple mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then, preheat your Blackstone griddle to a medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal cooking. Once your griddle is hot, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, onto the oiled surface. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes until the skin is golden brown and crispy. Then, gently flip the salmon and continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until it reaches your desired doneness. To check for doneness, the salmon should flake easily with a fork in its thickest part. For precise results, use a meat thermometer. The ideal internal temperature for cooked salmon is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove the salmon from the griddle and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful fillet. Now for the best part, serving your perfectly cooked Blackstone salmon. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor beautifully. It pairs wonderfully with roasted asparagus, a crisp green salad, or even some grilled vegetables from your Blackstone. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your fantastic meal, and thanks for watching this full guide on making salmon on your Blackstone griddle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.